The raise statement in Python allows developers to intentionally trigger exceptions, enhancing error handling. By raising exceptions, you can create defensive code that anticipates potential issues, ensuring your application remains robust. This practice not only helps in managing errors gracefully, but also in effectively communicating problems within your codebase. Raising exceptions is crucial for developing reliable Python applications. This chapter explores the strategic use of the raise statement, emphasizing its role in defensive programming. Learn how to effectively manage errors and enhance code robustness. Raising an exception interrupts program flow, halting execution when errors are detected. It signals specific problems to the calling code using exception types and descriptive messages. This enables controlled handling, facilitating structured error management and debugging with clear context and stack traces, transforming error detection into actionable signals for effective handling. In Python, exception flow begins with normal execution, where code runs sequentially. When an error is detected, an exception is raised, providing context. This exception is either caught by a try-except block or causes program termination. This flow ensures errors are managed gracefully, allowing exceptions to propagate until an appropriate handler addresses them. The raise statement in Python follows a straightforward syntax: raise exception type, message. It halts execution, creates an exception object, and propagates it to handlers. If uncaught, it terminates the program. Always include descriptive error messages to enhance debugging by clearly explaining the issue and potential solutions. In the validate age function, we ensure age input is realistic by raising a value error for negative or excessively high values. This approach uses specific error messages to guide users. The try-except block effectively catches these exceptions, preventing invalid data from affecting the application and ensuring data integrity with immediate feedback.